You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this Pope. It's also going to be the name of all of the popes that were named the same prior to him. Pope Pius is how it's pronounced in English, but in Latin it's pronounced Pius, alright? So if you hear people say Pius, it's not incorrect, it's more Latin pronunciation, head of the Catholic Church. Pope Pius the 12th. This one is Pope Pius, but you'd have the 10th, the 11th, 9th, 13th, Pope Pius. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.